and welcome, salute et bienvenue to the incredible, amazing secret history of Catholic New Orleans. I'm your humble host, Mike Church, a native New Orleanian and famous secret history nerd. Whether you're a native whodat, a transplant, or just an admirer from afar, because everyone has a little bit of built-in love for New Orleans, you're gonna love amazing secret history. In episode 1, we will reveal the amazing history of the discovery of Louisiana and the tragic end of its discoverer. In episode 2, we'll confront a Catholic urban legend about the Great Good Friday Fire of 1788 that almost turned New Orleans into a modern-day disappearing city of Atlantis. In episode 3, we'll reveal the amazing secret history of the Battle of New Orleans, including the heroic acts of our mateys, pirates. Finally, in episode 4, we'll settle the confusion over who the patron saints of New Orleans are and who are not. So mark your calendars and set your clocks. Your incredible, amazing secret history of Catholic New Orleans begins on Monday, March the 17th.